4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you, Sydney. Thank you, Anthony. Mia, can you read your answer? Why did most students choose choice B? And what would the student need to do in order to complete the question correct? Go ahead.
Most students chose B because they couldn't find the area of triangle ABC and the area of triangle CB.
Agree, disagree? How do you know? How do you know from this student's work that the student only found the area of triangle CBD? Jermaine. How do we know that the student only found that part of the area? Let's go back to our shoulder partners answering that specific question. How do you know from this work that the student only found this shape, this part of the triangle area? I'm gonna cold call when we come back. Go. So the area all right, I'm putting back 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do I have any volunteers? How can I tell from my students' work that they only found the area of triangle CBD? Yeah. Oh, Keaton.
Because it's the half of the other triangles. So like in order to find the whole area of the whole triangle, you have. Well, this is what I was thinking. You already have the area of one triangle, and you know that it's congruent. Both sides are congruent to each other at the same size and length. So like I did 31, the area of the first triangle, and I added it, or I did times 2, and after that I got the area of the whole triangle, which was like 62, and then I divided it by 2 to get the whole area of the triangle.
Cool. So something I'm pulling out from what Keegan is saying is that it's only half of the total area. What is the question asking you to find? Dariana, what is he asking you to find? No, the very top, the question from the text. What is he asking you to find? What's he asking you to find? Yeah? The area of triangle ABC. I want you to circle that at the top, right here. Circle it. Find the area of triangle ABC. Thank you for annotating. And one thing that, in looking at your scratch papers, me and Ms. Thompson discovered that we're doing a lot of really beautiful work, but sometimes we're not actually answering the question. So there's no mistake. It's just not complete. And a lot of you are able to say, oh, I need to multiply it by 2. So I want you to turn to your shoulder partner, and I want you to finish that. You've got to multiply by 2, which is what a lot of you said. Finish this work, and then write a statement, a full statement that starts with the area of triangle ABC is. Turn to your shoulder partner and do that. Take a minute. Go. Thank you for getting started, Jermaine. Thank you, Josue. Thank you in the front. How do you get rid of the whole? What would you need to do with this? Okay. Cool. Good job. Which is the new thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so like stamping that outside of justice problem.
Yeah. All right, talk to me. Take about 30 more seconds.
My paper had everything else. My paper had everything.
All right, I'll bring it back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ewan, can you tell the class what you told me? And then if you had a chance to find the full area, let us know. Mm-hmm. And so can you give us I know maybe I'm putting you on the spot, can you give us a complete sentence that starts with the area of triangle ABC is?
The triangle of ABC.
What are you doing to 18 times square root of 3? Do we agree, disagree? Agree, disagree? Hmm? Uh-huh.
What did you say?
Oh, Elon, can you repeat
Multiply by
yourself?
2.
He said multiply it by 2. Agree, disagree? Good. So write that down. The area of triangle ABC is blah, blah, blah. Thank you, Anthony. Thank you, Edgar. Thank you, Mia. Thank you, Jesus. Take 10 more seconds before we stamp. And 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yes, sir.
I got a question.
Yeah.
If he was trying to find the area of ABC, he typically already had the answer because if he could have just multiplied x and y together, it would have given the answer to C.
What's the formula? That's a great question. What's the formula for the area of a triangle?
X base times height divided by 2.
Hmm.
So I think the mistake he did was he just divided it by 2.
But that's in the formula, right?
Yeah, that's the formula. So,
Are we not supposed to divide by 2?
no, I know, but
That's a great question. And by the way, the new unit that we're gonna start today, it's really about volumes, but we're gonna start with areas. We tackled some of these area formulas. That's a great question. So, Jermaine is saying, if we just had multiplied it without dividing by 2, we would have gotten 36 square root of 3. Rather than dividing by 2, then multiplying by 2. And that's because we haven't really seen triangles that look like this. We've only ever seen triangles that are right triangles this way. But that's a really great question. I want you to keep that in the back of your mind when we start this new unit. What I want to push us is, what was the purpose of writing a sentence at the end? The area of triangle ABC is. How would that have helped the student? How would writing that sentence have helped the student? Yes, ma'am.
It would have made the student realize that they didn't find the whole area of the whole triangle, just part of it.
Beautiful. That's a map for array. Helen, can you repeat what Mia said?
It would have made the student realize that they didn't find the whole area, the whole triangle, ABC, just part.
Did I answer the question? Thank you, Helen. Did I answer the question? And so from now on, the thing that I want to push us, especially during our independent practice portions of the lesson, is when we read the question, before we do anything else, rephrase the question as a statement at the end. He says, what is the area of triangle ABC? Before I do anything else, I leave a blank. We're gonna practice that. I leave a blank, and at the bottom I say, the area of triangle ABC is, and then I remember that my work needs to lead me to that sentence, okay? That's what we're gonna be focusing on in this unit, because there's a lot of procedure in this unit. Put this sheet to the side. We'll get back to this at the end of class.